Nah, look, my man starts a conversation. He say, Rich, young qualify and call AFCON. So one qualify and call AFCON. It is deemed say any team in here. But Rich, typical of Ghanaians, young call AFCON. We still think say we are good enough to go for the World Cup. Sana Ghana for it here. You intimi am qualify and call AFCON.
I don't go street in Zwana. Boys in Zwana, when you black stars born and you omugini ho. What you am qualify and you can go US and Canada. Simple.
Enti akwa say. Ye down by say yanko AFCON no. We want to believe in Ghana Blasters and say we are good enough. If we be the see we are good enough to even go to the biggest competition, which is the World Cup. Now, Rich, after not qualifying for the AFCON, the other fuel is you see a World Cup cry and they say your first game yabo after not qualifying for the AFCON, Rich, you child you sending num. And a numna you say child no, Rich, meant to say offer a group which is group I. Rich, you're the top with 12 points, Madagascar 10, Comoros 9, Mali 8, Central African Republic 4, and a Chad any point here. And we look at group I and say, we still think say we have a chance. Say, you bet me qualify, na yako US, Canada, any Mexico no and so ebi ewo na Rich. Any game na here bono. You go away to Madagascar. But we are fortunate here bo game no Morocco because Madagascar any come for. And yes omuni stadium omuni come for. Omuni obi obeka bia mo say oh yam compromise ni am wo mo krom. Enti you go Morocco. Enti after beating Chad, Rich. You the charter flight kopiem Morocco. You training sessions, you recovery, you pep talks, you BBR. Rich, BBR say time I about the last club games in the year. I start to say yeah some more camp no. Rich, BBR say you training now. We were preparing for the two games simultaneously. Sana me huno. And you say yeah what child the year. Near some days for Friday planning for Madagascar. You could clearly see say you training now. The technical team had sight on the two games and they knew how to approach Chad in between, switch to how we approach team and your friend in Madagascar. Now Rich, say Oko back to the table. Madagascar and they cheap to them. If they beat Ghana today, I'm a sign Ghana home by that top. And a home game. So they think say they should take advantage of that and win. Number two, our last game boy was against Central African Republic, Rich. Almost 4-1. And it's our Ghana watch a 5. If your Facebook, or build the message baby ask Ghana be say 3-0, or be say 4-2, or be say 2-0. The confidence with which a Ghana for the Casano is based on the way. Yes, sir, child for no. But Rich, say Madagascar follows the same level of confidence because almost the last game boy, they went away to Central African Republic and they beat them by 4-1. Now, Rich, the big question is Madagascar for no, almost Central African Republic, this was their team. 4-5-1. So 4 back with a goalkeeper. Now Oma packet midfielders 5.
The anyway then you normally bobo game.
Oh, sir, commentary for no bebo. And that's Madagascar they fit in here, sir.
And Madagascar for not the ball.
Oma the ball.
Madagascar.
Number 5 for now. Number 8.
For the number 6. Anyway.
Oh, my second.
When we send the second in the over to Morgan no money. We've lost Marceline no money. Umoni di nyesa bonu ka nekem. Enti Madagascar for not the ball.
So this is Omo nominal formation 4-by-1. Until the other boy and say, we will first push it on the tactical board 4-5-1. And almost 4-5-1 almost one. Yes, straight 4-5-1, Rich. Very, very strict 4-5-1. To say an almost 4 defenders, 5 midfielders. Now Omaja Kadi as almost striker anymore. Now, Rich, to be able to plan, you first need to understand your position. Say no mobile there, then it is clear. They always want to dominate in Fifi with numbers. Magiving ye tawe mount. Kofo bebre go o ma crowd ho. And ye boom ya na ye tally ye no ye him so. But Rich, you watch omo game no boy against South African Republic now. You could clearly see, say, Rich, in as much as they play 4-5-1, still they score their goals from wings. Into what goals only came from our wingers, no. And last time I make catch you say, minimum the reason why Emma coach Otuado decided to bring Kamal Adin Suleiman will give him. Say if he is plotting, say we are going to meet a team that plays more wing play and that we need to put speedsters behind them. So that we are moving for no mobile. At least they will be conscious actually. Say just 1v1 for Kamal Adin Suleiman. Obeku your number 2 no. It's your conscious. Not ever limit you ma. Fine. But at least you want an idea say this is how these guys play. Now, Rich, that is why I bring Fifi in no. Kobo team. Or the second. Honorable home. Typical 4-5-1 team. And she said the last time, na blaster for Busano. What will be a predicted first 11? We will not even start with the players, but we will start with how do you counter this in terms of say oh planet. Now so when you say team now on the Nekoboro about 4-5-1. What will be the first things about team to consider if you want to even do anything? Over to media counter, you get the best out of it. And so, 4-5-1 there.
I think say 2 things. First of all, let's start here for the Samoan kind in terms of psychology. Say Okobo game where the very first thing that you need, even away from sending your position who are partners, so psychological side of the game. And Ayala ka, omuda cheaper. Inti almost so sending a person sending a World Cup no. Almost one person almost World Cup nibi. Iti we need to be psychologically there. And they be a meka say born up coaches want to born or partner so with tactics no. And this psychology need data. Enye on its own. Who you see it together. Say coach can say oh can't press ya. And just say oh you aggressive, you lose ball and psychologically when you quick so we need our doors now. You will not be there. It's really not supposed to be the same. It's first psychologically we need to be up there because like you said, any child game will be totally different.
Of course.
Totally different from child four. 2. I think say in looking at Madagascar funny data and Ayala, I chanced on the very funny data. Some of Morocco on moment in 13 attempts, just once. And you have Morocco on since 2023 AFCON qualifiers no Omasha. They struggle to win when they go there. I'm go away from home with their teams and to be frustrating when you wins. But Morocco more now they struggle to get a win. Your boy against China, so you see the style of play between Madagascar and it will be different there. Then I think some match you know, you team Kobo, sa attackers 4 near Kobo in your salad, you know, Debbie.
And you tricky no?
Yeah, yes, I see a tricky no.
Okay.
The starting lineup against Mayor surprised. So Otuado Kodo boss I line up the I doubt. I think the match Minya a 4-2-3-1 and a 4-3-3 me okay. Nominal formation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Obi Busa say, Rich. Say Obi bo 4-5-1. Will you consider that team also say probably on also need more men attacking you?
Yeah.
And you will not need and go for bebre in defensive network.
Yeah.
Because child be both the same formation. 5-4-1.
But what's the difference? The difference in say Rich. we mu ni more no boka catch in charge for no. And we mu 4-5-1 no. It comes with more offensive play than charge for no. Even though in nominal position, number 7, number 11, you know, right as midfielders, you know, Rich, in their offensive transitions, they join their striker.
Yeah.
That is the reason why they've been scoring goals, you know. And see, you don't take we have 4-5-1 and say, oh, let's say charge about 4-5-1 in Tino. Argentina, Fifi, I'm say, oh, we're careful, Kakra. Look, let's play again. More attacking players. Now, yes, you can't do more 50 on you. You have a place because Niaman in Bochiomo, Kudus in Bochiomo, Paten in Bochiomo, see about Semenyo, any Naki, almost some right, no money or about Yeniboni Bochiomo. So let's play the same thing, David Rich.
And even to add to that, you're ball against Chad. You're ball 4-1-4-1.
Yes.
It means that without the ball, never Paten Kwa. So over against Chad on FIFA, you see, or 5.
Yes.
5-0. And the 5 sounds here better than Chad. No one showing us a ball back who trouble.
So
serious trouble.
So what I agree with Fifi, they say, yeah, but 4-2-3-1. Rich, 4-2-3-1. So this is how we are going to play. 4-2-3-1. Now, the entire Rich 4-2-3-1 is the best way to play Wemo. And they say, the moment you also play 4-2-3-1, then it means that you also have 5 midfielders.
Yeah.
Who 6, who 8, who 10, who 7, and 11. I'll make me inside. And see, Unio Munino, a vessel and crowded midfield now. Uno more numbers pepe. Say, numbers near pen or be a cancel Nyonko outer. What you have a Madagascar for no Udibe is the quality of who plays. Eti minu nyina your numbers pepepe. Ba me mo party. Me mo kudus. Me wo probably Nhyira. Me wo players bebe a omuni mbo ne boche when it comes to 1v1 quality a omuni mbo. But this is where I have a problem. See, in year 4-2-3-1 mo amu ne mbo.
I want to be a problem. I want to be a problem.
Yeah, 4-2-3-1 and yes, so yes.
Because
why amu ne mbo? Who should be the individual players?
Let me solve 3 questions. First question. Madagascar football numbers are changing. See how it is your formation. You have a numbers now by good.
Okay.
This year you solve it.
You
can't numerical superiority but focus here. You cancel numbers.
Okay.
Now we've come back to say okay, a bano qualitative superiority player for player. Ye Pate, ye Kudus, ye Nyama. These boys are better than Malagasy for them. It's only a really well. But on the day one in Nhyira Park, and so starts in my end. I think say for me, there be a problem with Bano. And Fifi on them. Center backs, I don't think will change anything.
Yeah, keep it goalkeeper na Benjamin Asari.
Goalkeeper there to be down to the coach.
Okay.
Because maybe it was surprising me.
Yeah, Benjamin Asari na.
No, we should bring in Atizigi.
Yeah.
Because they are crass sauce, they don't say call for no man.
We should say the entire make us we should bring in Atizigi. Simple. Rich Ayala say with a new technical team, we are trying to be pragmatic. It means that game will be an approach a deco game. I will fear our Transport Stadium against Chad. It was seemingly an easy game.
Yeah.
And Benjamin Asari even will be more comfortable at the Accra Sports Stadium in front of Nimkofo. Until Obenya comfort to be so we got 4 time at she. Rich, so what the never flight to come Morocco? A different ball game to him altogether. And what is at stake in this game? Nobody is saying he's not good. But what is at stake in this game, you know? Rich, you may want someone who is familiar with this kind of environment.
When you're opinion have become a time, you also not maybe
for me, I think that we will go with Atizigi.
Okay.
Now
4 and 5.
I will not change.
Salisu Jiku.
I will not change.
Okay. 2 3.
Fifi will also change.
2 and 3.
I will maintain Schindler and Gideon.
I was saying that as a slow do.
He's okay.
Okay.
See, there's where the standard of your right back say wow.
Oh no, one is over.
He's okay.
Mahmoud and Jimmy
good, but see a man a chance.
Okay. Tiama Schindler now.
I only at least
any confusion. One am say problem no one.
Me, I don't see a problem.
Okay.
Maybe problem mom will be your wingers, no.
And then Fifi in 1-1.
See, about 4-2-3-1. It is easy to say party for Sinaman Kwakudus.
Party for Sinama.
Aye, Francis Abu.
Francis Abu.
It is easy. Play a place na your campo. Say, who show more qualities now? It is easy. Say, open number 6, number 8, number 10. Ome conventional, Ome humanist and the opener. Baku abeka party one, or yet defensively, or ya aware. Or awareness of a buanama, yet in your balance in here. You can't raise ultimate and say, okay, can we play 4-2-3-1, but still maintain the personnel? For instance, Yamo Party and Nyama as number 8. Rather than say a ball as double number 10 with Kudus against her. Ultimate, yes, sir. Because Soccer's over Nyama as number 8. In a game you are expecting to improve your balance. Nyama Beja Patawako Debia. Conventionally, he's not aware. But the moment you play Francis Abu, without the ball, Abunim, so he need to stand at a certain position. I also maintaining balance at the mount. And then you are like a pattern I'm already defending.
And the changes in the wings.
Wings on a problem.
And you want to mumbo.
Now, Nyama must play. For me, he was our best player ever. And also our form. And it's all idea. Nyama seems to think, say, on him Otto from Northern. And now say Otto Abanon or Yedumana, this is his coach. Rich, I dare be anywhere here in football. A thing player or this coach where you coach, my barman. Very, very good. But my problem then say, okay, say Nyama will play where Inaki played. Me, I suspect say the reason why Inaki played 90 minutes against Sad was that he was not going to start that game with. Yes.
Now Inaki co bench.
Good.
Nyama Antoine.
So
Antoine on the left.
Jordan will play.
Yeah.
Antoine and Kamadin Suleiman, who plays Ewa.
Obey you,
That is the problem.
Oh, me play
among the two.
Me Antoine. Antoine.
For me, the advantage Antoine was without the ball, super work rate. And you need that. Kamadin sometimes can be very lazy. Or no, but without the ball, or on Bobby Mao. And probably you need Antoine to start. So game is stretch here. And where you need very, very pacey players to take advantage of say obi 1 millimeter and I say 1 millisecond late.
Yeah.
Who probably very fast to take advantage of that. Then you bring in Rich game way a game. You will need a bench to be very decisive in terms of the impact or the free bench. Abba.
Maybe
I don't know if me find out where the Fifi
I think there's the same. Me now my worry was about Francis Abu and forcing a man quite when Fifi on him. Because my problem and say incoming and Kababa Idris Simoni that they were camper. I would rather want them next to party because even for forcing a man Kwani Abu Munano, Abu now say on the ball progressive. Born 10 year
8 more box to box.
Exactly. It is a born Bukema animal problem kaka. But in terms of the attack, Nyama is a good option because Ubo Nyama from outside. Now Obo against Tima or sitting in a 5-4-1 as a 4-5-1. Oh, you'll be a betting. And 1v1 is very, very, very important. Okay. So Unyan come out in Chileman and then you should get it in Nyama on the other side. Now it's very good that we have Jordan Ayew over here because the last game against Chad, the movements be braina why together with Abrantia Feno, Antoine Semenyo on the other side, very good on and off the ball. So it means that we have quality.
And the taxes now can never count.
We're up your quality in the box in Semenyo and Jordan, and also to do the work. Rich, without the ball.
We seem to be obsessed. Match wins or yes. Rich, your pong game way. Now you're about drum pa. I will be pleased.
3220 83581 835